We come to question 11, which is as follows. The diagram shows the positions of 3 towns A, B, and C on the Earth's surface. Okay, on the Earth's surface. Okay, so you can take time and study the diagram. So once we have studied the diagram, then we can go ahead and answer the questions. So question 11A is as follows. What is the time difference between B and C? Okay, so to solve this one, what we're going to do is we're going to say, I'm going to abbreviate time difference, which is TD. Time difference is equal to, okay, that is theta over 15 degrees. Okay, we can even say over 15. It's okay. So let me just write properly my 15. Okay, over 15. Okay, so what is theta? Theta is the distance, or this the difference in longitude. That is, theta is the difference in longitude. Now let's go to the diagram and find the difference in longitude. Okay, now since we are looking at town A and C. Okay, so town C is sitting on the longitude, which is 50 degrees north, and town B is sitting on the longitude, which is 40 degrees west. So since this one it is in the west and this one it is in the east, so what we're going to do is we're going to add these two numbers. So that means when we go on theta, we are going to say 40, okay, degrees. So 40 degrees is where town B is sitting, and 65 degrees is where town C is sitting. So we're going to say 40 degrees plus 65 degrees, and the sum of that divided by 15, okay, which is equal to. So what we're going to do now is we're going to find 40 plus 65 will give us 105 degrees, which is over 15. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to say equal to, then want to find time difference. So whatever we're going to get, remember, every 15 degrees makes 1 hour. Every 15 degrees makes 1 hour. So when we divide 105 by 15, the answer we're going to get will be the number of hours. Okay, so we say 15 into 105 to give us 7. 15 into 105 will give us 7. So 7 will be 7 hours. Okay, to be 7. Now let's go and record our answer on A. So you need to be recording your answers on the spaces that are provided. So here we're going to say answer is 7 hours. Okay, if you have got questions, please don't hesitate to ask in the comment section, but basically that's how you find the answer. Okay, let's go to question B, which is a plane flying due south from A to B at 900 knots takes 7 hours. Find the difference in latitude between A and B. Between A and B. So to find the answer for B, for us to find the answer for B, what we're going to do is this. First, we're going to say, so for B, first we're going to find the distance. Okay, we are given, the question is as follows. A plane flying due south from A to B at 9 knots takes 7 hours. Find the difference in latitude between A and B. So when the speed is in knots, that means the distance was in nautical miles. The distance was in nautical miles and time was in hours. So what we're going to do first, we're going to find the distance. So we can say distance, sorry, I'm writing speed instead of distance. So we are saying distance is equal to speed times time. Okay, so what is the distance? So when we calculate speed times time, so we want to find the distance. So speed we are told is 900 knots. So 900 knots times 7 hours. So time is 7 hours. Remember, this T is for time, 7 hours. So when we multiply 9 times 7, so let's ignore the zeros first. Let's just focus on 9 and 7. So 7 times 9 will give me 63. Okay, so I ignored 2 zeros. So these 2 zeros, I'll put them to this product. So the answer will be 6,300. So now, like I said it on, when speed is in nautical, is in knots, the distance was in nautical hours. Okay, so that is the distance. Now, what we want to find is, we want to find the difference in latitude between A and B. Okay, so it's more or less like want to find the theta. So what are we going to do to find the theta? So what we're going to do is, we're going to say distance is equal to 60 theta. Okay, now what is distance? We found that distance is equal to 63 thousandths, which is equal to, remember this is 60 theta, so we're going to say 60 theta. Okay, that is 60 theta. So what we do is, we divide both sides by 60, so that we remain with theta on one side of the equal sign. So here again we divide by 60. So this 60 and this 60 will cancel each other out, leaving us with only theta this side. Okay, now once we've remained with theta like that, the next thing we're going to do is, we're going to divide the numbers that are on the left. That means this 0 and this 0 will cancel each other out. Then we say 6 into 6, it will go one time. Okay, then we say without any remainder. Okay, so what we're going to do is now, or let's just say, if I go like that, it will confuse you. Let me say 6 into 600, it will go 100 times. 6 into 30, it will go 5 times. So 6 into 630, it will go 105 times. So that is the value of theta. So that is, we can say, the distance in latitude, the difference in latitude is 105. So to record our answer here, and come here and say theta is equal to 105, okay, degrees, 105 degrees. Okay, so basically that's how you write your answer. Okay, if you have got questions, please don't hesitate to ask in the comment section, but basically that's how you find the correct answer.